So, hey you guys, I'm on private property I think right now, but I gotta show you these birds. There's like fucking a whole shitload of birds over here just flying around. I really hope I can get close to it though, but I know I'm not supposed to be on this road right now because I seen a sign. Oh, there's like a whole shitload. What the fuck is over here? There's gotta be something over here or something. Seriously, something's up. There's like a billion birds, man. For reals. I'm kind of scared of this road in a way. I don't know why. I'm not supposed to be here, and I don't know where it even goes. And it's kind of a rough looking road. See? What the F? Look at this. Holy F. See what I'm talking about? I'm gonna see if I can get closer. Fuck, I'm not supposed to be here though. I don't even know what this place is, man. There's a whole bunch of them right in front of me. Oh! I think I scared him. How fucking nuts is that, dude? Attack of the birds here. And look it in front of me, man. Like, what the F? I don't want to scare them all though, but okay, you guys, this is fucking whoopsie. What did I do? I did that. Shit. Okay, I'm getting out. Ah, stupid alot shit. They're everywhere, man. Holy F. Dude, this is totally like the movie Birds. Creepy. Dear God, it's cold. Okay, well, I guess you've seen it all as much as I did, so I'm gonna cut this off now and leave because I shouldn't be here. So, yeah.